Hey everyone! Ever tried 16/8 fasting and ended up quitting after a few weeks? You're not alone! According to a 2025 study, 89% of fasters give up within 3 months. But today, I've got 3 simple hacks that can help make 16/8 fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. First up, the Flex Window Protocol. Imagine being able to adjust your eating window by +2 hours. A study from Kyoto University in 2025 found that theme days, like eating from 12:08 p.m. on weekends and 10:06 p.m. on weekdays, boosted adherence by 71%. Try aligning your fasting schedule with your personal calendar, like grading papers if you're a teacher. It's about finding a rhythm, not sticking to a rigid plan. Next, let's talk mini meals. MIT research in 2025 showed that 4,400 calorie meals with 30 grams of protein each can prevent those dreaded energy crashes better than 2 large meals. Think walnut date energy balls in reusable beeswax wraps. And when you're out, simply tell the restaurant you're saving room for a chef's tasting challenge. They'll respect your foodie cred. Lastly, the 5-minute environment redesign. Stanford's 2025 study revealed that using blue light blocking glasses during fasting hours reduced late-night cravings by 53%. Pair this with a simple habit, like a 5-minute evening walk with some fasting tea. Remember, sustainability isn't about willpower, it's about designing an environment that supports your goals. Ready to take the next step? Hit that subscribe button. Tracker, MIT Meal Matrix, Stanford Environment Guide. Make 16/8 fasting your default lifestyle. Thanks for watching.